SonoBitch9987, and that is Shadow456.
I feel so shocked.
She is how old? She's my 11-year-old cousin. I'm turning 15 10 days before she turns 12. And this is my house, my yard. Woohoo!
Yeah,
Very big, right?
mine's so small. I hate it. Hey,
Woo! My yard.
my evil cat.
And that's Shauna's evil cat, Spooky, that's running away from us.
I hate him.
Okay, but anyways, we're in our neighborhood, and we're just gonna have fun. See some old friends, and
We don't have any friends.
yeah.
Ow!
I do. You might not, but I do.
Actually, I
Oh,
do
did you
have
guys see
friends.
my new blue streak?
Yeah.
Amazing, right?
Fake.
Shut up, it ain't
I'm
fake.
so jealous.
Oh, we got kittens in the yard. 1, 2, Mama,
Look,
3.
kittens. My baby kitten.
That's nice. But yeah, ain't it awesome? Okay, but anyways,
What is the name
we're
of the
walking.
kittens again?
I don't want to remember the names of the kittens.
Oh, it's Boots, Midnight,
And
I can't remember that one.
I named the other one. I
Shadow,
think it's...
something like that. Shadow.
Okay, but anyway, yeah, we're walking around the neighborhood. Gonna have fun.
There's
So
nothing
far
to do.
we're bored. Yes, I know. And over there
Our
is
people. Our people. Yay, they're people.
Kylie and...
You don't know me.
I have no idea.
That's nice.
I can't remember her name.
Nice. Can't remember any of his name.
I know, right? But yeah. What are you doing? What are you guys doing to that poor kitty?